Piece of shit.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, western Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until midnight. Storms producing heavy rain in the lower warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Clarksville, Coopertown, Pleasant View, Adams, Cedar Hill, Cheatham Dam, Palmyra, Cunningham, and Woodlawn. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 29. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until midnight Sunday for the following county: Montgomery, Tennessee,